Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. And another day with Krea AI. I know Krea team just published a bunch of the new updates, which I didn't follow in my channel, but a lot of friends asked me to cover that. Today, let's cover all the updates that the Krea team just published recently, okay? So first, on the homepage of the Krea, we find there are two new tabs on the top, which is Gallery and Assets. Let's check one by one. So first is Gallery. So in Gallery, basically this is to build up a new community for everyone, and you can upload all your works to this community, and people can communicate with each other, and even they can click your work and copy your prompt or check your parameters. And not only the images, and recently you can upload the video you just generate by Krea, which is great. And we can see the community grow bigger and bigger, and there are many qualities, good qualities, images and videos I can see and we can use. For example, like this one, I like the atmosphere. I can copy the prompt from here and also check out the style they are using. But if you copy the prompts, you basically copy the prompt with this style. Okay, nice. After the updates, Flux model responses really fast. I mean really fast, like I didn't editing anything so fast. Let's try another. And you can change the aspect ratio here, and maybe let's play around with this or this. See, no editing. The speed is so fast, and the quality is amazing. I think the quality is good, and we can make a variation or we can download it, and also we can use the style gallery. Okay, for the asset page, when you click, you're landing this page, and basically it records all the images that generated by Krea, also and the videos. And when you click one of them, you can anytime you can remix with them. You can copy the prompt, you can upscale, you can download it, you can check the parameters you are using. I think this is basically history records, and nice. Because sometimes we delete all the images we generate, but sometimes we want them back. This is human, right? But assets fix the problem. We cannot find the images we just delayed, and we can get them back from assets. But don't worry, in assets, nobody can see you generate works, only you. Okay, let's move on to another topic. Krea just banned all the not safe for work images, which means you cannot generate nude and sensitive information, and when you do, this bear will comes up. But in the earlier time, people find that you cannot even use the word sexy, because sometimes you want to create a sexy car, right? Okay, now we can create sexy car. Wow, good news. So now Krea is more like Krea is more like a Midjourney than Stable Diffusion now. Okay, let's move on to the real-time generator. I think in real-time generator, basically the same. But if you are using the HD model or the Flux model, you'll find it's a little bit faster, I think. So when we generate images, and the speed of the generate process is faster, which is good news, right? And with the style gallery, we can create as many as you want, different style, and we can change it. Pretty cool. I think it is quite useful, the style gallery. But we covered it before, so if you don't know how to use it, please check my other videos. Okay, the last but not least, the Krea video. So when you move to the generate button, you will find the real-time, Flux, video, and animator. So we can change the video model from here. There are 4 famous video generate model here: Luma, Runway, Clean, Minimax. So we can select one of them, but they are quite different because Luma supports the first and the end images. So when you click here, you can upload the first frame, and you can add the end frame here, and you can type your prompt from here. So this supports 3 items: prompt, first frame, end frame. And in runway, it only supports the start frame, and of course it supports the prompt. And in the clean also supports the first and end frame, and the Minimax only supports the start frame. But all the models support a text prompt. So if you wish to only use the text prompt, this is okay, no different. After that, the result is good. This is from Runway. You can try to click the retry, or you can publish to gallery and copy the prompt or download it. The size is good and the duration is okay. Duration is about 5 seconds. And I also tried this one. This is from Krea, and the Krea models looks sharp and the result is nice. I love the movement of the camera. And this is from Luma. I think Luma is the best model in Krea right now because the atmosphere and the removement of the camera and the characters are better. And this is also from Luma. I tried a few. I think that they are all pretty nice, and we can click here and we can download the video and enhance in the enhance tab. So after enhance, you get better resolutions and you get better qualities, and you can download it again, and maybe you can create your own clips. Okay, I hope you like this video. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye. Congratulations, you finished this episode. And don't forget to subscribe us, and please click the like button. Also, leave all your questions inside of our comment zone. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.